Queen Bedrock got 2 points and Aziz got 1 point.
Yeah.
So our runner-up, we got Queen Bedrock. And our champion, we got Bedrock. All right. Let's go. Let's get it.
Yeah.
All right. So, our champion and runner-up, boleh istirahat dulu, nafas dulu. For now, we're gonna have our judges showcase. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
I can't hear you. Are you guys ready? Let's go.
Let's give it up for Glenn Crazy G. Yeah. Next, our international judges. Is he ready? Where is he?
He's here. He's here.
Oh, he's here. All right. Let's give it up. All the way from Malaysia, we got Faris Azim. Let's go.
South Jakarta on the track. Dia akan muncul di tanah gersang bersama 70,000 askar sedia hadap perang. Sekalian alam terpinga-pinga. Dari kurosan mereka berjalan keliling dunia. Hey, badannya dibelah, terbelah kiri dan kanan. Terkulai badan layu, tak lagi bernyawa, lalu dihidupkan. Baik kau mengaku, aku ini Tuhan. Hey, kaulah Dajjal, makin ku yakin kaulah Dajjal. Yang dipesan oleh utusan yang terawal. sang pencipta. Hey, ini zaman fitnah. 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 Ini zaman fitnah.
Picture time. Yay. Alright. Can we have picture with the runner-up first? And then champion, and then everyone all together, yeah? Alright. Alright, picture time. And this is our runner-up.
This is our runner-up
for Exflooration Volume 2. We got Queen Bad Bro.
Woo!
And our champion.
Our champion, Bad Bro.
Hey, it's gold. Hey. Elsia skin, yeah. Oh, that skin.
Take a picture, take a picture.
By Derma Express. And ever since.
Yes.
Big thanks to our sponsors.
Woohoo.
Alright, runner up sama championnya boleh foto bareng.
Foto bareng semua.
Alright.
Runner up and champion
Picture time.
of Exflooration
Yeah.
Volume 2.
Alright. And
Yay. Bad Bro.
3, 2, 1. Oh, belum. Boleh. Ya, mau dong MC-nya bareng.
Bareng MC ya, boleh ya? Kali ya.
Mau pamer dulu dong, pamer dulu ayo. Let's picture. Alright. Let's picture. Hinto. Alright, thank you to our judges. Big thank you to all the participants.
Yes.
And congratulations to all